citizen scientists discover 6,000 yellowballs, which are thought to be expanding clouds of gas and dust that are in the very early stages of forming star clusters. Lithium saturation to make old batteries new. Processed diets, which are low in fiber, may initially reduce the incidence of foodborne infectious diseases such as E. coli infections, but might also increase the incidence of diseases characterized by low-grade chronic infection and inflammation such as diabetes, a study with mice shows. A baby's first poo reveals if they are at risk of allergies and asthma. Wristband that turns body heat into electricity can power an LED. 3 new studies show that a whole group of bacteriophages may use a different type of DNA referred to as their genome, when previously only one phage was known. These studies pave the way for discovering more about how and why this ZTGC genome evolved. Nearly half of fecal samples from wild chimpanzees contain bacteria that is resistant to a major class of antibiotics people commonly use in the vicinity of Gombe National Park in Tanzania, according to new research. Bats don't have to learn the speed of sound, they're born knowing it. Citrus derivative makes transparent wood 100% renewable. Unlike other transparent wood composites developed during the past 5 years, the material developed at KTH is intended for structural use. It shows heavy-duty mechanical performance, with a strength of 174 megapascals and elasticity of 17 gigapascals. Scientists claim they discovered the gate of consciousness. New research identifies what part of the brain is responsible for a critical switch. Research uncovers patterns in the resting brains of highly sensitive people. While people with high sensitivity might get more rattled by uncomfortable situations, they might also experience higher levels of creativity, deeper bonds with others and a heightened appreciation of beauty. Researchers using X-rays, CT scans to search for evidence of cancer inside medieval skeletal remains. They found rates of cancer about 10 times higher than had been previously discovered through examining only the bone's exteriors for lesions. Efficient manufacturing could slash cement-based greenhouse gas emissions. Brazil's cement industry can halve its CO2 emissions in next 30 years while saving $700 million, according to new analysis. The production of cement is one of the largest sources of greenhouse gases on the planet. NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center set to launch next-gen telescope in October. Some investigational Alzheimer's disease therapies are more effective when paired with a treatment geared toward improving drainage of fluid and debris from the brain, according to a study in mice.